Hi, this is just a brief video on how to record your screen and then upload it to YouTube and how you manage it. First and foremost, I've already created my account, and to start this video I did the launch recorder in the upper right hand corner. I'm just going to open up another tab. You can do this with PowerPoints, Google Slide, Google Docs. I just want to show you that this is still recording. Just for sample's sake, sometimes when I'm doing a Google Slide, just open this one. Sometimes it's easier to have it in this mode, where it shows all the different slides, other than present, but you can still present. You just kind of have to be careful what you're clicking when you're down here to go from slide to slide. Alright, so this is a minute video and it's just a sample. So I'm going to